Hello learner, my name is Rahul Mishra and today we will see how to run Selenium script created on Java and running on JMeter. So somebody is creating their scripts on Java using Selenium Webdriver and want to run into the JMeter. We will see those things. So for demo purpose, I created one script. It doing nothing. Just I'm setting the Chrome driver path there and opening the Google page and verifying the title of page is Google or nothing. Once I created a script, after that I need to export it. So I'm using IntelliJ. So here uh, go to the folder structure and here you go to the artifacts and click on add button jar and select your project. It will give you the and click on OK. Once you click on OK, it will reflect like this way and save it. Then go to the build artifacts. Here you need to create a build. So by default IntelliJ will create a one folder name as out and here it will create the jar. Copy this jar into your JMeters library JUnit folder and paste it. I already done this to save those things. And apart from that, we need few more configuration like adding Chrome driver, because we you can see I have provided absolute. So in other system, this script will work. So you copy the driver, the same driver which the same driver version for the Chrome, which is installed on your machine. For my machine, it is currently 121. So I downloaded the driver of Chrome 121, the driver version 121, and pasted on in bin location. So in this location you can find Chrome driver is already. So I have a Mac, I use the Chrome driver. If you have Windows machine, you can use Chrome driver exe. And similarly you need to copy standalone uh, versions and JUnit. Please make sure the version you are using in your POM or POM file, the same version you need to download and paste it on your JMeter inside the library. This is important. The version number is very important. So what we have done, we have pasted our script inside library JUnit lib and JUnit lib and JUnit. I pasted it here and I Chrome driver on bin location and standalone and JUnit file, the same version which I am using in there. Then after you need to restart your JMeter. Once you done the restarting, then create a one thread group. In that thread group, add HTML, sorry, JUnit request. In JUnit request, once you click, you can see the same name which we created. You can see name as login. So JMeter login will be displayed and test loading first page. The test loading first page is displayed. Okay, and you can set it uh, as per your requirement. For demo purpose, I just okay, for demo purpose I'm using only one. So once you run it, you can see Chrome get launched. This is Chrome get launched. It will open the Google page and verify it. I didn't add JMeter after method for the quitting, so that's why it is not quitting. Just for the demo purpose I'm creating this. Thank you.